Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on showing the book's page number on the Kindle Paperwhite. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. When in a book, tap the top portion of the screen to open the options. Then tap the AA button. Tap More from the menu bar. Choose Reading Progress from the menu. Then select Pages in Book from the options. Tap the book text to leave the layout menu. You can see now that the page number is shown at the bottom of the page. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Kindle tips and tricks.